What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Coinbase wallet currency. Now, if you're wondering how to exactly change your account or Coinbase account's currency here, well, changing or updating it is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go to coinbase.com, log in into your account, and at the top right of your screen, you should see this dotted icon here, which is the app section, or in this case, the different settings or different account information or services they can access. So if you click on it, you have this option here. So in this case, you want to go to the for individual section and just click on the accounts option that you see here. But in here, this is where you should be able to start seeing your profile. So we have different tabs here. We have general, which in this case will show you some sensitive information about your account, but you also have crypto addresses and preference. So in this case, you want to go to preference here. Now under preference, you should be able to see this one. Now in here, you could be able to basically change or update your time zone as well as your currency. So if you want to update your currency, let's go and click on edit. And from here, just click on drop down button here, and you could go and start choosing your currency, cryptocurrency here. Your currency they want to use for your wallet or your account here. For example, maybe I want to update this to a very specific one, like for example this one. Just click on save to save your changes, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.